everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Let us begin the new chapter, surface area and volumes. If you are talking about the surface area and volume, means we will discuss about the 3D shape. Now, surface area of a cuboid and cube. So first we will learn about the surface area of cuboid and cube. So let us talk about the cuboid first. Cuboid is the 3D shape which has each of faces rectangular, which means this way. This is a rectangle face. If we, this is rectangle, and front face will also be a rectangle. Front face will also be rectangle. Even side face will also be a rectangle. Even top face will also be a rectangle. Even bottom face will also be rectangle. This one. Okay. So each of faces is of rectangle. Suppose it is length. This will be breadth, and this is height. This will be height. So if we will observe this box is of rectangular face. This box has each faces rectangular, which means if you see this top, this is top. So this is length and this is breadth. So area of this will be length into breadth. Similarly, this base also will be length into breadth. Suppose if you will see this front, that will be, this is length, this is height, so it will be length into h. If you talk about this, so this is breadth, this is height, so it will be b into h. So this is b into h, so obviously this will be also b into h. This is L into S, so this will be also L into S. If this is L into B, so obviously opposite face of this will be L into B. So this figure is a rectangle. This figure is a cuboidal. Why? Because each of faces of this is rectangular. Now let us see. This is the net of rectangle, where this is the bottom, whose area will be L into B. Why? Because length and breadth. So here also top will be also area will be equal, means if it is L into B, so obviously this will be also L into B. Similarly, side one, if length is this wall, if we will talk about this, so L into H, so this will be also L into H. Similarly, B into S, so this will be also B into H. Okay. So obviously here if you take the sum of this, that will be total surface area of a cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid will be twice of L into B, twice of L into B, plus twice of B into H, twice of B into H, plus, because two faces are there which are of the area B into H. Okay, then third face is L into H. This is L into H. So 2 times L into H. So this will be total surface area of a cuboid. Here we can take 2 common, so this will be, we can write in that form also, L in 2 times L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Like that also we can write. So unit of this will be, obviously it is area, so square meter or square centimeter or okay, square unit. Now if any face is missing, either top or bottom, then which means L into 2 times L into B, instead of 2 times L into B, without top is written or without bottom is written. So total surface area of cuboid without top or bottom equal to this, instead of 2 times we will write LB only, plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. So you can write in another way also, LB plus, we can take here 2 and S common, so it will be B into L. Okay, this will be the formula for the total surface area of a cuboid without top or without bottom. Okay. Now, if both are missing, length this top as well as bottom, so it is called lateral surface area. That is called lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to here this complete term will be missing, means it will be 2 times b into h plus 2 times l into h. So 2 and h will take common, so we will get b plus l, or you can write twice h l plus b. This will be lateral surface area of cuboid. Okay, now let us talk about cube. So cube will be the same as this, but here each face, instead of rectangular, each face is of cube will be square, which means each face of the cube will be square. This is square, so we'll make one more square, front, opposite. Now we will join this and this, all the corners. So this will be cube, this will be cube. And here, why it is cube? Because it will look like this. If you will observe here this face is of square. Why square? Because here length and breadth is of equal. Means we can write it a square. So if you see, every face of this cube is of square face, which means here area of this face will be L square, this face will be also L square, this face will be L square, because this is also length and this is also length. So L into L, it will be L square. Obviously, this front face also L square, this also L square, this also L square, which means we wrote here total surface area of a cuboid. Instead of you write cube, suppose if you are finding cube, so twice LB, instead of LB we will write L square only. What will write? L square. This will be L square, L into L plus L into L plus L into L. L is the length of edge. Okay, so L into L, it will be L square. Yeah, here 2 was outside. 2 times L square, because 2 faces are there, na? This is L square, this is L square, this is L square, this is 6 faces are there, so 6 L square. So what will get the area? Twice of L square plus L square plus L square, which means it will be 3 L square, 2 into 3 L square, which means we will get here 6 times L square. This will be total surface area of a cube. Total surface area of a cube. 6 L square. Now here also, if without top is given, so it will be 5 L square. This will become 5 L square. Without top or without bottom, total surface area of a cube without top will be 5 L square. 5 L square. And lateral surface area, lateral surface area of cube is equal to, lateral means top and bottom will not be there. Without top and bottom, which means this term 2 times L square will not be there, means 4 times L square will be there. 4 times L square. So